Hi, welcome. We're still on LXQt, and this time around, I'm gonna play with conkies in. So somebody asked me, "Hey Eric, why is this yet thing there?" So conkies in is this pop-up is created with yet another. What was it again? Let's have a look. The name is yet another. A fork of Zenity, display graphical things. Not explained here. Display tool, I think it's something like that. And it's actually going to create this kind of pop-ups. So we can actually select and put it here alphabetically. That's what I always do. First click there alphabetically. Conkies are never going to be super on all 15 desktops. There is one exception. For Plasma, we've created one unique bunch of conkies that always gonna work and look nice. But for the rest, it's gonna be trial and error. So you can actually say, I'm gonna have a look at this guy, and it depends, right? So Ctrl-Alt-T, you need to open something maybe, and then put this guy over here, dual screen, right? And see what happens if two things overlap each other. So this guy is working just fine. It's not in the way, it's really on our desktop, and right mouse click does not work. That's for sure, that's always. But this guy here, then the menu starts to appear again. So that's cool. With Ctrl-Alt page down, we're gonna navigate through all of them, and some of them will look ugly, and that's that, right? Just skip them. Or if you are into it, then you're going to have to go inside the code and change some parameters to make it nice again. Like this one really does not look nice, and that's because of the fact, well, the LXQt is different than OpenBox, different than i3, different than Mate, and different than and so on, right? They all differ. This then on the other hand is looking okay, still okay, but do the test, make sure that it's actually focused on the background, and then you know this one will work as well. It will be nice as well. So these guys seem to look nice. When it's transparent, you know that PyChem is working. PyChem is the new name of Compton, right? So I'm pressing Ctrl-Alt page down all the time to navigate between around 70 or so of these conkies. So we are actually a bit full of conkies, but whenever I see a nice one, a really nice one, we'll add it to the collection. What is a conky? A conky gives you some information, in this case also some weather information. Antwerp scattered clouds. Well, actually the sun is shining and we just ate outdoors, so no, it's not that bad at all. Okay, working. So Lua is installed as well. Anything that's going to be looking like this, that's Lua code. The guys on Awesome, they definitely know what Lua is all about. And that's the weather prediction. So it's kind of hot tomorrow. That's cool that it's hot. And that's the time of today. Oh, sorry. It is already Wednesday. Okay, time flies when you're having fun. So it's here in the back end. What did you expect? Let's take another wallpaper, Alt-N. I'm tired of the wallpaper. Ctrl-Alt page down. All in all, they are not that bad. There are a few of them that look not so nice, but all in all, it's okay. When you say that, it's not going to look okay, right? Alt-N, another wallpaper, not that bad. The clock, well, it's supposed to look like a clock. It's a scientific clock, sci-fi clock. Here are the rings. We have to wait for the Lua to kick in. Lua is actually calculating all kind of things, drawing things in the back end, and then suddenly he has everything ready, and then we see some lines and things like that. But it takes always a while to draw them. There they are. So that's enough playing around for me. So these are our conkies, and you can activate them. That's not a nice one, but well, maybe in this design it's okay, but it can be better. We're waiting for one Lua down here. And let's stop playing. This is ArcoLinux. Have fun.